Okay, so I'm gonna ride four-wheeler, and I have this attachment on my helmet so I can ride four-wheeler with my helmet on. You guys can see. I'm gonna tell you guys about the four-wheelers. We have three. Me and my brother got one for Christmas a while ago, and a couple of years ago, and this one, and there's a yellow one. So I'm headed in the barn right now. I'm gonna open it up. We're gonna ride four-wheeler, but I'm gonna tell you about them first. This is where we keep the feeder wagon and pillater as well. And here's the yellow four-wheeler, which is the one I'm riding today. It's Can-Am Outlander right there. And this is my dad's from when he was in high school. It's pretty old. We got it fixed a while ago, but the bushings need to get fixed. This is the Honda that we got for Christmas. It's not looking too great right now, but that's fine. So I'm gonna get on the four-wheeler and drive around. Close it for like really skinny calves, and that's nice because then they can't turn around. And then you push that gate around and you get them. You push that gate around, you get them pushed up in here. You open this gate. Wait, it's stuck on something, but you can open it. And then when they get through, you close it, and then they can back out. It's pretty nice. And then there's our grain wagon, or not grain wagon, auger. And then there's our that's our wet corn pile, and there's silage pile over there. There's four-wheeler. That's where we keep all our tires, and that's our bin. We only have one bin, but my grandpa lives straight that way, about a mile. I'm gonna get back on the four-wheeler. Sorry, man, it's really muddy because we just got raised too much, but it's really muddy because the snow melted and stuff. We're in Minnesota. Here's hay. We have hay come grind every day, and we just had them. There's our modified. The modified truck just came yesterday, think that's all I'm gonna do. I'll walk you up to the house quick. So we got a light switch right there, and then that. Okay. Coming, but I gotta go. So kind of muddy. Just a little bit.